In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Calendly's scheduling functionality into your own applications or simply curious about enhancing your productivity tools, getting your API key is an essential starting point. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Calendly website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Login button prominently positioned in the top right corner of the homepage. Click it, and a login screen will prompt you to continue. If you're using Google for a swift one-click login process, click on Continue with Google, and then select the Google account you'd like to use. If you aren't using a Google account, simply input your credentials and sign in as you normally would. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations and Apps section of Calendly. To do this, look around your dashboard for any navigation menus or tabs dedicated to integrations. After locating it, click on it, and you'll find yourself in the section where various integration options are listed. Here, you'll want to locate the search bar and type in API. This will filter through the integrations, displaying those that meet your criteria. Upon typing API, look for the API and webhooks option. Follow the link to this section. You should now see a prompt or a button that says, Get a token now. Go ahead and click on this. It's the gateway to generating your API key. Next, you'll be asked to proceed by clicking Continue. After clicking Continue, you'll be prompted to name your access token. This is crucial because naming your token helps you keep track of its purpose and usage later on. Use something descriptive that you'll recognize easily in the future. With your access token named, click on Create Token. Calendly will then send a verification code to your registered email. Check your email inbox for this code. It should arrive fairly quickly. Enter the code back on the Calendly site to verify your identity and complete the token creation process. Finally, once the token is ready, you'll see an option to copy token. Click on it, and the entire API key will be copied to your clipboard. It's important to store this somewhere secure as it grants access to your Calendly account's functionality. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've acquired your Calendly API key, ready to be used for all your integration needs. Be sure to keep it secure, and if you ever feel the need to regenerate it for security purposes, you can always repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.